Before you drop money on a microcurrent facelift machine, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of these devices promise salon-level results, but barely deliver unless you use them consistently for weeks. And even then, the real difference comes down to how well the tech actually targets your muscles and skin layers. Product number 1, INIA Flare 3-in-1. This INIA Flare device caught my eye because it combines red light therapy with vibration and microcurrent-like modes, all under $120. It's sleek white and feels solid in hand, not flimsy like some budget options. If you want a simple, all-in-one tool that tackles puffiness, firming, and product absorption without overwhelming you with buttons, this is worth a serious look. The lift mode uses gentle vibrations to stimulate circulation, which can temporarily tighten skin, especially around the jawline. Tighten mode adds red LED light to support collagen production, and infuse mode uses negative ions to help serums penetrate deeper. That's key if you're already investing in quality skincare. With over 3,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with people who want visible results without going full spa mode. Now, some users might expect stronger microcurrent pulses. This isn't as intense as professional-grade devices, so don't expect dramatic lifts overnight. But for daily maintenance and subtle contouring, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you're new to at-home facial tech and want something easy, multifunctional, and gentle. Skip this one if you're looking for hardcore muscle stimulation or have very deep-set wrinkles. At $115, it's a fair value for what it delivers. Product number 2, INIA 7-in-1 Gua Sha Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're serious about neck care and want real microcurrent power, this INIA 7-in-1 takes things up a notch. Priced at $109, it looks luxurious in gold and actually includes dual LED lights, thermal therapy, cryo mode, and Gua Sha all in one. What makes this stand out is the dedicated neck treatment function. Most devices ignore the neck, but this one uses microcurrent and vibration to support lymphatic drainage, which visibly reduces puffiness and smooths the jawline. The cryo mode cools down to 16 degrees C in under 30 seconds, no fridge needed, and instantly depuffs tired eyes or morning face bloat. I love that it has 3 heat settings too. Warming the skin before applying serum helps ingredients sink in faster. Over 1,000 sold recently shows people are catching on. Now here's the catch, the learning curve is steeper. With so many modes, it's easy to overuse or pick the wrong setting. Some might find the Gua Sha attachment a bit bulky. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the results are noticeably better than basic models. This is perfect for you if you care about both face and neck aging and want spa-level features at home. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-simple devices or have highly sensitive skin that reacts to heat or cold. Product number 3, Samedir V-Face Machine. Now, if the previous two felt too fancy or expensive, this Samedir device is a budget-friendly alternative focused purely on double chin reduction. At just $37, it's wild that it offers 8 modes and 15 intensity levels, more than some pricier competitors. It straps onto your face like a headset, so you can wear it while watching TV or reading. The idea is simple. Low-level electrical pulses stimulate facial muscles to tone and lift, helping define your jawline over time. And yes, with consistent 10-minute daily use, many users report a more V-shaped contour. The adjustable strap fits most face shapes and it's lightweight enough not to feel annoying during use. But let's be real, this isn't true microcurrent. It's more of a muscle toner and results vary widely. Some people feel nothing at lower intensities, and the plastic build feels a bit cheap. Still, for under $40, it's a low-risk way to test whether facial toning works for you. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with mild sagging or a soft jawline and want to try electrical stimulation without spending big. Skip this one if you expect dramatic lifting or have pacemakers or skin conditions. Always check with a doctor first. Product number 4, Petit 7-Color Light Therapy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for people who want customizable light therapy. The Petit Facial Massager stands out with 7 different LED colors, each targeting specific skin concerns. Red for collagen, blue for acne, yellow for brightness, and so on. Combined with 3 modes and 4 intensity levels, you can tailor treatments exactly to your skin's needs that day. Also heats up to 113 degrees F, which opens pores and boosts circulation, great before applying serums. The curved head glides smoothly along cheeks and neck, and the battery lasts 2 hours, so you're not constantly recharging. At $59, it's a steal for the feature set. Now the downside, the instructions are vague and switching between modes can be confusing at first. Also, while the lights are effective, they're not as powerful as clinical-grade devices, but for home use. This is perfect for you if you struggle with multiple skin issues, like redness, dullness, and fine lines, and want one device to handle them all. Skip this one if you only care about lifting and not light therapy. Product number 5, RF Conductive Gel. Now, if you're using any microcurrent or RF device, this $13 gel might be the unsung hero of your routine. It's not a machine, but it's essential. Without proper conductivity, your device can't deliver energy deep into the skin, which means weaker results. This gel is formulated specifically for RF and microcurrent tools, hydrating while ensuring smooth glide and optimal signal transfer. Over 1,000 sold shows people are finally realizing that skimping on gel sabotages their investment. The only downside, it's easy to forget to reorder, and running out mid-treatment is frustrating. But honestly, this is the kind of small purchase that makes expensive devices actually work. This is perfect for you if you already own a microcurrent or RF machine and want to maximize its effectiveness. So which one should you pick? If you want simplicity and firming, go with the INIA Flare. For full face and neck treatment with cryo and heat, the INIA 7-in-1 wins. On a budget, the Samadir V-Face machine does the job. Need targeted light therapy? Petit's 7-color device is your best bet. And don't forget the conductive gel, it's cheap but crucial. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Pick the one that fits your routine, not just your wish list.